Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to grow pineapple from pineapple fruit. But first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates. Take a fresh pineapple. Make sure that it's evenly ripe. One glass and a sharp knife. So let's start. Cut the leaves of the pineapple with a sharp knife, or you can also twist the leaves of pineapple with hands. After this, remove the rest of pineapple fruit from the leaves. As you see, then strip off lower leaf to expose the stem. It helps them to sprout roots. You need to remove a leaf a few inches of the stem exposed. Make sure that the fruits is totally removed from the roots. Now again removing leaves. A few inches of stem exposed. Now take a half glass of water, as you seen in the video, and you can see that the pineapple crown has inactive roots. Now put the pineapple crown in water. Please note that the crown should be submerged in water. And place a glass indoor, or you can also put in shade. As you see, the roots are submerged in water. After 1 or 2 days, you will see the roots start growing. You can see that these white roots are active roots. Now change the water in the glass. After 4 to 5 days, the roots are fully developed, as you seen in the video. Now you can transplant it in your pot or in your garden. And please like my video and press subscribe button to watch my latest videos. Thanks.